Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we want to talk about how the amount of a flood insurance claim can have a big impact on you. And we want to talk about, when you're going through those claims, what to do after the claim, how to get flood insurance if you didn't have it, or if you did have it, what are going to be your options? Going through a flood insurance claim can be devastating because it's generally no kind of small claim. It's usually thousands and thousands of dollars. And if it didn't have flood insurance, it can be even more devastating. But we want to talk about what happens after that. How is that flood claim going to impact you in the future? How could it impact your property values and things like that? Should you file the claim? Shouldn't you file the claim? Well, let's talk about, first of all, should you file the claim or shouldn't you file the claim, and why? Generally, we don't recommend filing a flood insurance claim unless it's more than $5,000, or if it's going to put a financial burden on you where you just can't afford to take care of the damages. The reason for this is that flood insurance claim can follow that property really forever. It can take it out of a preferred zone with the National Flood Insurance Program, which can have a much bigger impact on your rates than, say, $5,000. Or if you go into the private market, a lot of companies won't insure a property that's had a flood loss claim. The other thing is, if the property was to exceed a $250,000 loss on that flood claim, then it's going to be extremely hard to get flood insurance. So you can imagine when you go to sell your house, this could create a very large issue for you. So when it comes to these flood insurance claims, you just want to know what your options are. Yes, there are some private companies that will write a policy if a property has had less than that $250,000 claim, or if it hasn't had any claims in the last 5 years. With NFIP, you normally lose your preferred rating. But if you've had more than 2 claims, the property could be what's called a severity loss property, which can have a huge impact on rates, which can make it very, very difficult for someone to finance your house if they're buying it. So if you've got questions about flood claims, how are your rates going to be impacted in the future? How are you going to be impacted? Is your policy going to be non-renewed? Are you going to be canceled? Please reach out to us, floodinsuranceguru.com. You can go to our Facebook and our YouTube channels, The Flood Insurance Guru, where we do daily educational videos. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, so we're here to help you understand your flood risks, your flood insurance, and mitigate your property long term. You can always give us a call, 205-451-4294. Thank you.